Are you still throwing bad coffee and pickleball tournaments at your broken culture, expecting things to change? Seriously? Well, guess what? All that fluff won't fix it. Here's the reality you probably don't want to admit. It's how your managers lead and engage, meaning your culture's built from the inside out. I've spent over 30 years right in the thick of things in HR, talent acquisition, and executive leadership. I know what breaks teams. I've been there. I've lived it. And most importantly, as a seasoned leadership development pro, I know what fixes them. When I walk onto your stage, I leave the dry slides and the corporate speak at the back of the room and focus on bringing electric energy, enthusiasm, and raw honesty. Instead of fluff, I bring the reality they need, including the tools and solutions your audience can put to use immediately. If you're ready to create a difference-making experience for your audience, let's turn that next event into an absolute game changer. Reach out to me at buildbetterculture.com and schedule some time today.